Hey guys, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. And I'm on my way into Hobby Lobby. Let's see what's going on in there. Let's see what we can get. Lobby's looking good. I had a $60 budget for my fall refresh, and I just wanted to update. Just so much of my fall stuff is Dollar Tree, which is nothing wrong with that, but I wanted a little, some florals. And I've been wanting, let me show you the florals that I got. Just to update my fall. And I got 2 of these. These were going to my, to these wicker, white wicker lanterns that I have. So all I do is I just swap for each season. I just put some picks into those. And these were, see how I like how they have a little burlap there. Got your pumpkin. I wanted something neutral because I got so much orange. These were $14.99 originally, and they were 50% off. No, I think they were 40% off. Those. And then I've been wanting these wooden bowls forever. See these? I have a smaller one. Let's see if you can see that. Smaller one. This one is a Robert Stanley. It was $24.99. 40% off. So that came up to like, each of the florals, they were originally $14.99. So they rang up at $8.99 each. And then, yeah, so everything was 40% off. So you can put your fruit in there. I don't think these are those wooden bowls here. I don't think they're food safe, but you can line them like with collard greens and put some stuff in there. So I'll probably line them. And here is, hang on. Here is the bigger wooden tray or board or whatever. Put your florals in there. This one was, it's a Robert Stanley as well. $14 off of the big one and $10 off of the smaller one. So that's all I need. That's all I really don't need any new decor, but I wanted to refresh. Oh, that's all your girl gets for fall this year. Okay, so thank you for shopping with me. I just wanted to take you guys along. I haven't been at Hobby Lobby for a while, and I needed to get out of the house and do some things. And before, I'm going to lock myself down. You know, if the government doesn't lock us down, I'm trying to get the things I want now. And, you know, just bring some good and update and refresh my house. And, you know, try to stay out of the public too much these next few months. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in to Tanya's Tasteful Table. I'm in the car now. It's getting hot. And I think my next stop is Kroger, maybe. All right. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You can follow me on Instagram as well, Tanya's Tasteful Table. Bye.